In this video, I'll show you how to connect your computer to your TCL Roku TV using an HDMI cable. Let's get started. So your computer may or may not have an HDMI port. This one over here has one. It's this one. If you only have USB Type-C ports, this means that you'll need an adapter. I'm actually using one. It's made by Pluggable. It's connected to my computer. I highly recommend it. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get it from Amazon. But since this computer has an HDMI port, I'll take my HDMI to HDMI cable, connect one end over here, go in the back of the TV now. The TV has 3 different HDMI ports, 1, 2, and 3. It does not matter where you're gonna plug your HDMI cable. Choose any of these. So I'll choose HDMI 1 since there's nothing there. And now how do you select the HDMI input? Well, there's 2 different ways, with the remote control and without a remote control. With the remote, go and press the home button. And then over here, you're gonna go down. These are all your apps. Select HDMI 1. Then you can select no, the last option. And here we go. Right now, the display, the TCL TV, is acting as an external display for my computer. This is a Chromebook, by the way. But it works with PC and Mac computers. I can even drag whatever was there, put it full screen. If you have a movie, you'll be able to watch it. It's very useful. It can not only mirror, but can extend your monitor. If you didn't have a remote control and you want to select your HDMI port on the lower side of your TV, under it, you should find a button. My button is right over here. By clicking it once, you're going to have multiple options. And if you click it multiple times, you'll be able to select, you see the highlight in white there, select your HDMI port. And once you're over it, do not touch anything. The TV will select it. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.